Okay, in this video what we're going to do is we're going to solve some exponential equations using logarithms. So let's start off with this first one. All right, what I notice here is that my 2 to the t is by itself. There's nothing in front of it. So that means it's perfectly okay to take the natural log of both sides. Okay, so we come down here, remember this rule. Whenever you have natural log of something to a power, you can bring the power out in front. So that t can come out in front. You'll notice that sometimes I use parentheses around things in the natural log and sometimes I don't. So now I have this expression. And now we're going to divide both sides by natural log of 2. So these are going to cancel. Cool. And we're going to have t equals the natural log of 14 divided by the natural log of 2. If you plug that into your calculator, you should be getting something that's about 3.807. Okay, let's try another version of that. Let's try a more complicated equation. Let's look at the second one. And when I look at the second one, what I notice is that here's my exponential, my a to the t, but there's the p sub 0 out in front. Well, the first thing I want to do when I'm taking something like this is I want to take this equation and divide by that number out in front. So what I want is 20. Well, actually, let's write out the equation, 1.5, so we can show the steps, times 1.04 to the t, and we want to divide both sides by 1.5. So those cancel. Now we're going to take the natural log of both sides. Natural log of 20 divided by 1.5 equals the natural log of 1.04 to the tth power. And just like before, that t comes out. T times the natural log of 1.04. Okay, we'll write down this other side while we're at it. Okay, so we want to solve for t. We got this number. Let's divide by that number. We have cancellation. And yeah, we're going to have t equals the natural log of 20 divided by 1.5 over the natural log of 1.04. And yes, I do leave the numbers like this until the very end, and then I plug in. So this comes out to about 66.043. All right, one more. Let's handle this one. All right, start with the equation. Now this one has this e to the kt format. So we divide by 10. That's gone. And now we're going to take the natural log of both sides. Now, here's what's important. We have natural log of e to the something. These cancel out. And what we're left with is negative 4t. So now what I'm dividing both sides by is negative 4. So t is going to be, those cancel, the natural log of 26 divided by 10 over negative 4. If you plug this into your calculator, you should get about negative 0.239. And that's the basics of how to solve exponential equations using logarithms.